Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You act fast. First, confirm the first alert extinguisher is rated for kitchen fires, Class K or ABC for grease. Once done, shut off heat or gas if safe, and tell others to leave so you have an escape route. Make sure you approach with your back to the exit and hold the unit upright. Pull the safety pin with a firm twist. You're already in motion and ready to apply the agent to the base of the fire rather than the flames themselves. You aim low and squeeze the trigger fully to ensure a continuous discharge. The why is simple. Extinguishing heat and smothering fuel must start at the base. Once the agent hits, sweep side to side slowly, covering the burning area to prevent reignition. Keep a safe distance of 1 to 3 feet, stepping closer as the flames shrink but retreating if the fire flares. Make sure to watch for hot embers if smoke or flare-ups persist. Back out. You need to verify the fire is fully out. After visible flames stop, continue discharging for 20 to 30 seconds to cool remaining embers and prevent rekindling. Once done, carefully move away and watch the area for several minutes. If flames reappear or the fire grows, do not re-enter. Retreat to safety and call emergency services immediately. Make sure to ventilate the kitchen once cooled and follow first alert guidance for cleaning or replacing the extinguisher, since residue can damage appliances and surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.